Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will just display the this year Olympic Games. Okay, the data of Olympic Games 2024 in a map like this. Okay, for example, you would like to display the data of gold medals or bronze or silver medals in a map like this. Okay, which country got most medals? So this is updated data that we will pitch from a source, from web source. So we will display that in a map like this. So let's do it. Okay, how to do this in MS Excel? So let's first of all take a new sheet, and in this sheet, first of all, let's get the data from internet. So to get the data, for that we will use this. Okay, 2024, let's come here to the Wikipedia. Okay, 2024 Summer Olympics medal table. We will just come here to the medal table and we will just get this table. Okay, this is real-time updating data. So we will pitch these data. We can just display the data of gold, silver, bronze, or all, however you want. So you can do, just deal with that. So let's move, and let's move to the data. To get the data, get data from other source, from web. Press this and it says just paste. Let's wait for it. It is loading. It says enter the URL. So let's copy the URL. Just copy this and paste it here. So after pasting that, now let's press OK. So it will load the data. Yeah, the data is loading. So the data has loaded. Now we want just to pitch this data, 2024 Summer Olympics medal table. Click this one, so it will load the data. Let's just play with this, and so let's press the let's compare. Yeah, everything is okay. Okay, we don't need to move to the Power Query to edit it. So everything is okay. So let's load it. So after loading, okay, this is our data. Let's just now reference it. It means we will take a new table, copy from this to just display the gold medals data. Right click and press reference. After pressing reference, so it will move us to Power Query. So here we will just remove unnecessary columns, like we don't need the bronze one. Let's remove it. And also we don't need the total one and the silver one. We just want to display the gold medals. Okay, data. Let's remove this also, and also let's remove all these rows data. Yeah, that is okay. Let's close it. Keep. Yeah, we have loaded the data. Let's remove this unnecessary rows, these zero values, some data. Okay, I will just remove these things. Let's just come here and delete. Yeah, the data has been deleted. Now we have this data. Now let's create chart from this. So select the whole data. So after selecting the data, let's move to the insert, and here come here to the maps, and here we will just create maps chart from this. Let's wait for it. It is loading. The charts has been loaded. Look at, bring it here. So we have this chart. Okay, we can now edit the data. It means the China. So let's just display the country also. Just come here, data label. So we can display the data label also, or we can display the names. Series names like gold, or we can name category name. China, we can display just China and 16, or we can just display the value. And instead of value, let's display the category name. So it is how it looks like. Okay, China, Australia, United States. The first country is China, then we have the United States. Look at the colors. So we can change the colors also. Let's just come here to the color. So we can change the color like this. We can change and just make other changes also. Just come here to the format, and here we can apply different designs and charts. Select data, change chart type, move chart, whatever you want. So you can just play with this and display the data. So it is real-time updating data. So whenever you want to update this data, just come here to the update and refresh all. It means refresh it, so it will update the data according to that which is in Wikipedia. So I hope you learned this, how to display data in maps, the real-time Olympics data. So if you learned this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.